Have you ever wondered how the release of the U.S. Consumer Price Index can send shockwaves through the world of cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin? Let me take you on a journey to understand this intriguing connection. Imagine the scene. It's Wednesday, May 15th, 8:30 a.m. ET20. The air is thick with anticipation as investors around the globe eagerly await the latest CPI data. But why are all the fuss? Well, my friend, the answer lies in the unique relationship between this economic indicator and the price of Bitcoin. And so you might be wondering what exactly the CPI measures. Simply put, it tracks changes in the prices of everyday items, from groceries to electronics, giving us valuable insights into the health of our economy. And when it comes to the upcoming report, there's been quite a buzz. After 3 straight months of unexpectedly high inflation, many experts predict a slight decrease for April. So what does this mean for Bitcoin? Well, some believe that a slower pace of inflation could pave the way for more accommodative monetary policies. And as history shows us, these types of policies tend to boost riskier investments, like Bitcoin. In fact, renowned crypto analyst Ted has gone as far as warning us to brace ourselves for increased volatility come CPI release day. Now let's dive deeper into the numbers. Economists estimate that the CPI will reveal a year-on-year increase of 3.4% for April, down slightly from March's figure of 3.5% month-to-month that they predict a decrease to 0.3% from 0.4%. Core CPI, which excludes volatile food and energy costs, is expected to follow suit, dropping from 3.8% to 3.6% annually, 0.4% to 0.3% monthly. Goldman Sachs even goes so far as to suggest that core CPI may continue to decline, reaching just 0.2% by the end of 2024. But here's the kicker. Today is an unusual occurrence as the U.S. Producer Price Index data is being released one day ahead of the CPI. As Ted pointed out, these two indices often go hand in hand, with PPI usually setting the stage for CPI numbers. So, keep your eyes peeled for any surprises in the PPI report. And with that said, thanks for joining me on this exploration of the fascinating intersection between the CPI and Bitcoin. Stay tuned for further developments, and remember, in the wild world of finance, every number tells a story. Oh, and don't forget, as Ted would say, Bitcoin is back to trading macro news. Well, isn't that a mouthful?